Welcome back, students. This is lesson 2, and today we are learning something super important: how to ask questions to ChatGPT using better prompts. At the end of this video, I'll share the prompt for creating the image of Sri Krishna. So keep watching till end. You already know that ChatGPT can answer almost anything, but here is a secret. ChatGPT becomes 10 times smarter when you ask questions the right way. Every message you type is called a prompt, and the better you prompt, the better, the clearer, and more useful your answer becomes. Let's understand the difference between basic prompt and a smart prompt. Let's understand with an example. We ask ChatGPT, tell me about India. So this is a basic prompt, and ChatGPT will share lots of information about India. And now let's ask a smart prompt. We ask ChatGPT, explain India's independence in 5 points suitable for class 8 students in simple language. So you can see we are asking about India's independence, and we just want the answer in 5 points, and it is suitable for class 8 students, and we want answer in simple language, right? So let's send this prompt and see the response. And you can see now ChatGPT has given a smart or useful or clearer answer which is having just 5 points about India's independence. Let's understand with another example. We ask a question, write a story. So this is a basic prompt because we are not telling ChatGPT what story we want, what the theme is, how lengthy the story should be, right? So that's why it is a basic prompt. And now let's write a smart prompt. Write a 120 word inspirational story for school students about honesty, right? With happy ending. So you can see we are telling ChatGPT about the length of the story, theme of the story, and the audience is school students, and the topic is honesty, and the mood with is it should be the happy ending. So let's see the answer. Right, so we can see here is exactly the 120 word story shared by the ChatGPT, right? And if you read it, you will see the last line. He realized that being honesty gives a joy and no more money can buy. So it ended with a happy sense. Power of words make our prompts smarter, and smarter our prompts are, and ChatGPT provides high quality answers. When we ask ChatGPT prompts, we can add few words like explain step by step, make it simple, give an example, make a table, write in bullet points, make it fun, creative, easy to understand. So these addition of words can make our prompts more smarter, and these words can help ChatGPT understand what we exactly want. Okay, let's understand with few more example of smart prompts like explain a water cycle using a short story. Give me 10 creative science project ideas for class 7. Make a timetable for class 10 students preparing for exam. Convert this paragraph into easy language for class 6. For example, we have a paragraph, but the language of the paragraph is very complex and we want to simplify it for class 6, so we can do with this prompt. And we ask ChatGPT explain fractions using pizza examples. So this way we can make our learning funny, easy, and very interesting using ChatGPT. And these prompts show how ChatGPT can think like your teacher, friend, your coach, and even your story writer. And your activity for today is you are going to ask ChatGPT explain Newton's law of motion like I am in class 6. Include simple examples. And whatever response ChatGPT gives, you are going to send that response in the comment of this video. And let's see whose response is best. And do you know ChatGPT is superb expert in writing prompts? We can take help of ChatGPT to write prompts. So let's say we want to create a beautiful image of Shri Krishna. So we can take help of ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for this image. We want to create an image of Shri Krishna. Please write a detailed prompt for looks, right, jewelry, white skin tone, and heaven, right, and Shri Krishna flying in pushback one, right? So please provide a detailed prompt. Let's see uh, the prompt written by ChatGPT. So you can see now, wow, you can see a very detailed and nice prompt written by ChatGPT. Create a breathtaking, ultra-realistic divine portal of Lord Krishna, the supreme god, gracefully flying in the Pushpak Viman above the heavenly realm. So let's see. Let's send this prompt to ChatGPT and see what it actually creates. So this way we can take help from ChatGPT to write better and best prompts. In the meantime, ChatGPT is creating this image of Shri Krishna. We have understand the difference between basic prompts and a smart prompt. Smarter our prompts are, smarter will be answer from the ChatGPT. While we write our prompts, it is very important to provide all the details with that prompt to help ChatGPT understand and provide the best high quality answer. And you can see the ChatGPT is creating the image of Shri Krishna flying in Pushpak Viman. Wow, you can see that's a pretty image of Shri Krishna flying in Pushpak Viman. Keep learning, stay blessed, and see you soon in lesson 3.